When you begin taking Thesis seminar, you'll be asked to create an account in Google, and this will also give you access to Google Drive, where we'll be working this entire semester on your thesis. So you'll actually be drafting your thesis in a Google document within Google Drive, and then linking that or sharing that document here within Canvas, specifically on this Canvas page called Thesis Seminar Page. So I want to create this short video to show you the few steps involved in doing that. Once you've created your Google Drive account, you'll want to go to your Google Documents, and this is where you'll find all of your files. So you can decide how you want to organize your information. You'll organize it much as you would your files on your own computer. And to create a document, you just click Create, and you have these different options. We want to create a document. So when you begin your thesis seminar, begin with using the template, which will be provided in class, and that'll be a good way to begin your document. So let's just assume we have some content in this page. You can change the name of the document. In this case, you might include your name and or the title of your thesis. And then you're going to want to share the document. So if you click at the top right hand corner of your screen where it says share, there's a blue button here, and this will give you different options. The first thing you want to do is change this to anyone with the link, and just leave it by default. It shows here that anyone has access, no sign-in is required, and they can view the document. You do have other options where others can edit or comment, but for now I think we can leave this as it is and click Save. Now the next thing you want to do is add me, your facilitator for this course, to the document so that I will be able to make edits, and so I'll be able to make direct comments to your document, and this is basically how we'll be working all semester. So in order to do that, you'll need my email, and this is my email here. So if you type in my email, that's all you'll need to do. By default, you'll notice here that this will allow me to edit. Again, you can make changes here if you just want others to comment or view, but in my case, when you include my email, just leave it as default so I can edit it. If you wish to add a message to this, you may do so by clicking on this link and adding your message. If you want to send a copy to yourself, you can do that, but it's not necessary. And then click Share and Save. So remember, when you do share the document, you're just beginning the course using Google Drive or Google Documents. It's a two-step sharing process. So again, you want to be able to create this link and share this document with anyone, and you want to share me specifically to the document. Now let's copy and paste this link at the very top. This is the link that others can access to view your document. We'll cancel this, but you would want to save once you've completed that. Then we want to go back to Canvas and copy and paste that link to this page. So all of you should also be able to edit this page once you're enrolled into this Canvas course. If you're viewing this document as a public page but you're not, or you haven't enrolled, you won't be able to make edits to this page. So click Edit here, and you want to add your name just as the instructions indicate. And then you might add the title of your thesis. For this, I'll just put title thesis, but in your case, you want to add the actual title. Now we want to select this text and go up here at the top and create a link, and insert the link and save changes. Now when others go to this document, they should be able to access your document by clicking on the link, and obviously you'll be able to access yourself as well. The idea here is that we have all of the thesis documents here as a list. So each person can see what their classmates are doing, and also you'll be able to see the edits or the feedback that I'm providing for all of the people who are taking the class. So that's basically it. When you do edit this document, one last thing, just do be careful not to make any edits to this content above this line. When I finish this video, I will be actually inserting the video in this space here. So I would ask that when you do add your name here, just please add your name below this line, and you can continue doing so by clicking here and adding another bullet point and adding your name and thesis. And you can do so just by adding this information below this line. So again, please leave all the information above this line as is. And when you do save these changes, it does create a page history. So you are able to go in and look at the history and see who made all the changes, and you could revert back to a prior page if necessary. So that's basically it. If you do have any questions regarding adding information, either sharing the document in Google Drive or adding a link to Canvas, feel free to contact me via the inbox via Canvas. You will need to have created an account in Canvas and enrolled in the course to be able to send me an email here. Once you've done that, we can correspond quite easily via Canvas mail system. So I look forward to seeing your links and your work, and look forward to getting started this semester with Thesis Seminar.